In this experiment, we will compare the end-use energy efficiency of an induction cooker and an electric hot plate. Put a port on the electronic balance. Pour 1 kilogram of water into the pot. Measure the water temperature. Connect an electric plate to the mains supply via a kilowatt-hour meter. Heat up the water with the hot plate and start the timer. Record the number of revolutions made by the rotating disc of the kilowatt-hour meter. Stop the timer when the water reaches 100 degrees Celsius. Repeat the experiment with an induction cooker. Calculate the energy efficiency of the electric hot plate and the induction cooker.